Saudi Arabia, says that if I took a umrah and went back to Riyadh, then a couple of weeks later, I had some work to do in Jeddah, so I came, and I had free time free time in my hands. What to do? Can I go to Mecca? The answer is yes, no problem. He says, can I make a tawaf? Definitely make tawaf, pray, stay there for as long as you wish. That's fine. Can I make umrah? He said, in umrah, it depends on your intention. If you intended to make umrah from Riyadh, in this case, you have to go back to the miqat, which is Wadi Mahram or Sayr al-Kabir in Taif, and wear your ihram there. And if you did not make or have the intention for umrah because you thought that you only had enough time for your meetings, but then you had a window of opportunity, in this case, you may make your ihram from Jeddah because the intention popped up in Jeddah, not from Riyadh. Other than that, if you're not going to make umrah, you just want to go visit the haram, make tawaf, pray, you have no problem. You can do this with your normal clothes, insha'Allah, Azza wa Jal.